Hello, this is a video to help practice with Song 46, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on page 18 of the Brown Book. Here we have the notes D, A, B, F sharp, G, and that is it. So let's go ahead and review these notes first. So on the A string, we're going to just play the notes on the A string first. So open A, please. Stop your bow at the tip. First finger on your tape, the first tape, usually it's green, on the A string. That's the note B. Now we're going to play the open D string. First finger on D is E. Now F sharp, away from the first finger, F sharp. Now G is close to the second finger, so it's right next to the second finger. It's a half step. 2 and 3 will be close. Third finger G, please. One more time, we're going to play open D, E, F sharp, and G. Here we go. D, E, first finger, F sharp, G, then open A string. So those are all the notes comprising of the famous Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm going to set my metronome at this beat. So that's the beat for a quarter note. Let's get started. I'm going to be in playing position right here with my thumb at the neck, my bow hold ready. My bow is on the D string. Here we go after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, ready, go. On the D string. Second line. Last line. Hold the violin for a few seconds and then put it down.